Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable mobile banking at CBS Indian Bank. So to access the app of the mobile banking CBS, you have to simply get its app. For that, you have to go to Google Play on your browser. Once you get there, you will see this interface. Now here you can see we have this search bar. You have to click onto it, and after that, you just have to simply search for CBS Indian Bank. Once you search for it, you will get its app. You can just simply click onto it, and if you would like to install, you can install it. Once the app get installed, then you can just simply enable your mobile banking on this app. Here are a few images available. Through that, you can get the idea that you first have to log in or sign in with your credentials, and after that you will be unable to get your mobile banking on your phone or on your app. So you just have to simply go through these options, and then you will find the way to enable mobile banking on your Indian Bank CBS app. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.